Hi everyone, this is Ivan Francis. So today we are going to draw Dulquer Salmaan. So let's get started. This is a sheet from my drawing book and I'm taking a Apsara pencil. It's good to use HB pencils for sketching. So let's get started. So as the first step, draw a box like this. A base of 6 cm and the height of 10 cm at an angle 105 degree from the base. So now let's draw the top portion. Now let's draw a curved line in the above section and also the below. Now draw a curved line in the top portion to represent his hair and try to complete his hairstyle like this. Remember to draw a horizontal line at the place of ear. Now draw the ears and a horizontal line across the apex of ear. Draw the apex of nose at the middle of the line. And now complete its mustache below this line. Draw two curved lines which represent his smiling lips. Extend the line across the top of the ear. Eyebrows comes above the line and the eyes is placed below the line. The eyes should be narrower. His eyes are narrower. So try to draw a small eyes. Now erase all the lines that we used to draw this. Now we have erased all the portions. Now it's time to make some modifications. Correcting the corners, hairstyle, single hair, the ears. More defining will make your portrait looks more real. I feel like a problem to his nose, so I erased it. Giving more details to the portrait. Giving more definition, so your portrait will look more real. Still, if you have a problem with the nose, with the positioning of the nose, you can use a ruler, draw through the midpoint of the head and you can find the position of the apex of the nose. Now we have nearly completed the sketching of the portrait. Now let's give him the teeth. So while drawing the teeth, you should use a less shade. Now I'm gonna erase all the dark shades, dark regions, because if you want to paint or shade a portrait or any drawing, you should erase all the dark regions, dark shades. Then only your drawing will look more real. If you want to learn how to shade or paint like this, watch the videos from my channel or the videos from the end screen. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Hope you learn to draw Dulquer Salmaan. And you can send your drawings, paintings to me in Instagram. So try to watch the videos of shading and painting like this from my channel. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.